defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. He's unstoppable with the ball.
Using the width here.
And he's back in possession. Tries a long shot. What an opportunity!
He got a good hand behind that.
He clears the ball to safety. That's nicely played. That's great determination.
Good ball. Sends it forward. Passed well.
Ah, defending.
And it's with the captain.
Confident pass.
Sends it long. Confident goalkeeping there.
Keeper opts to throw this one out. The defender clears. That's nicely played. He steps up to steal the ball.
Oh, has a dig.
Fantastic skill to perfectly time the volley. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game.
And we're into stoppage time now. It's half-time and a chance for the managers to do their work.
This league encounter resumes now as we kick off for the second half. And he shoots! And that is a fantastic goal. A chance to have a better look here.
It's 2-0. Passed well.
He's got the ball at his feet. The striker picks it up.
Now this could be costly.
Back towards the centre. And he's looking, what a chance! And he hits it!
Great finish!
2 goals today from this exciting player. Well, let's take another look at that. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray.
He keeps adding to his team's tally. It's becoming a rout.
Good distribution. Confident pass. They're coming forward with the ball. A player of his talent really should have won the ball. He slid for the ball, but missed. They're winning. They need to defend well here.
Great chance here.
Well timed then. Great defending. Won the ball. Distributes the play. Poor attempt to win the ball. He failed to connect with that tackle.
Pjanic.
And he's back in possession.
Passed well.
The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break.
And this really takes takes the pressure off the defence.
Distributes the play. And we're into stoppage time now. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. The fans erupt. That confirms it. They've secured the Division 4 title. It's official. They're Division 4 champions. They're getting better and better.
Getting busy, I'm blessed, life on the road. I've been riding round the city, making waves on my own. I've been causing plenty havoc, though my pockets are bare. With just a kick in the stair, I lift you off of your chair. I'm coming up. I'm fucking 95, feeling alive. I've been 0 to 100 since I put it.
Brought this impressive signing to take them to the next level.
Tell me I'm wrong, I'm living right. I've been stepping up and losers to give me some hate. Listen, my dogs kicking in these stereotypical walks. If you try and sell me something, it's whiskey and rocks. I'm coming up. Make it a double and make it disappear. Only here for the moment, grab me that souvenir. I'm on a level so high, they can't